Welcome back, dear students. Today we'll continue with the chapter on cube and cube roots. So I'm taking question number 5 for you. So question says, find the cubes of these stuffs. Okay, so there are 7 sub questions to you given to you. I'll just do 2 questions for you. Rest of the problems you will try by yourself. Okay, so one thing that you need to note here is you have, okay, let me directly start with question number 3. All right, so question number 3 says we have to find cube of minus 12. So minus 12 cube, we have to find this. Now can I write this as minus 12 into minus 12 into minus 12? Can I write this? Yes. Okay, so minus into minus is plus, so plus into minus is minus. Okay, now we have 12 into 12 is 144. 144 into we have 12 also. Okay, so 12 4s are 48, carried over 4, 12 4s are 48, plus 4 is 52, carried over 5, 12 1s are 12, plus 5 is 17. So that's why your answer turns out to be 1728 with negative sign. So minus 12 cube is minus 1728. Okay, so this is our first problem. Let me solve at the same time another problem. Shall I solve question number 5? Okay, so let me solve 5 for you. So you need to find cube of minus 25. So can I write this as minus 25 into minus 25 into minus 25? Yes, so minus into minus plus, plus into minus is again minus. So this is as usual minus. So 25 into 25 is 625. Okay, into we have still 25. So let's multiply. So 5 5s are 25, carried over 2, 5 2s are 10, plus 2 12, carried over 1, 5 6s are 30, plus 1 31. So leave this space. 5 2s are 10, carried over 1, 2 2s are 4, carried over when you add you get 5, 6 2s are 12, right? So add this 5 2 6 5 1, right? So you get 1 5 6 2 5. So this will be your answer, or rather the cube of your minus 25. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so next question says you need to find which of the following are cubes of even number. So first and foremost, you have the given numbers are this one, this, 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 and this. Okay, so here question saying all these are cubes. Okay, now these are the cubes of even number and odd number, you know that. Okay, now you have to identify which one is the cube of even number and which one is the cube of odd number. Okay, so we have cubes of even numbers. Okay, so what are those? We'll see that. And we have next cubes of odd numbers. We will find that also. Okay, so for that I need this particular table for observation. Now tell me, one is even or odd? One is odd, isn't it? So see, the cube of odd number is odd here. Let's take another odd number. Another odd number is this one. So the cube of this is also odd, isn't it? Similarly, the cube of this odd number is also odd number, right? Similarly, the cube of this odd number is odd number. Okay, so that means whichever numbers are odd here, those are the cubes of odd numbers. So this is even number, this is odd number. So first answer is 729. I'm sorry, this is odd number, no, right? Okay, so I'm finding cubes of odd number. So 729. Okay, next this is also odd number, so 3375. Okay, so next we have 125. Next we have 343, and we have next 9261. So all these numbers are cubes of odd numbers. Now the leftover numbers, that is 216, which is even number, will be the cube of even number. Next we have 8000, and next we have 4096. So these are the cubes of even numbers and these are the cubes of odd numbers. Okay, pause the video and note down your solution. Let's have another question, very easy question here. So question says, find the least number by which this thing must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. So we have already seen this kind of problem in square root. So this is going to be the easy problem for you. So given number is 1323. Okay, so if you remember, in case of square root we used to factorize it, isn't it? So let's factorize. So let's start with 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, we have 1. So again with 3. Okay, so we have 3 1s are 3, 1 goes over there, 14, so 3 4s are 12, so 2 goes over there, 21, 3 7s are 21. Okay, again with 3, so 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. So we have now with 7, so we have 7 into 7. So basically we have 1 3 2 3 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Now question says you have to multiply this entire number by one more number, so that the result becomes a perfect cube. Okay, now I told you, in order to have a perfect cube you must have triplet, right? So do we have triplets here? Let's check. So we have a triplet of 3 here. Okay, so triplet of 3 here, but here we have just doublet, right? So we have only 7 and 7. So in order to make triplet I have to multiply this by 7. Okay, so that means if I put 7 here in this blank, if I put 7 here, then I will be able to form the triplet. And once triplet is formed, then this number becomes a perfect cube, isn't it? So that means I need to multiply this entire thing by 7, isn't it, in order to make the given number to a perfect cube. Okay, so let me erase this part only. Okay, I hope this thing is clear. Okay, so we will write, hence to make 1323 a perfect cube, we need to multiply it by how much? By 7. So that's what will be my answer for this case. So pause the video and note down your solution. Let's take one more problem, a similar kind of problem, but in this case you need to divide. I'm sorry, this is not multiply, this must be divided. Okay, must be divide. So this is what is given in the question. So find the smallest number by which 8768 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. Okay, so in earlier question what it did was you multiplied by 7, right? But this time you have to divide this number by some number. Again, this is going to be a similar kind of question or similar kind of work. So we have 8768 given to us. Let's factorize it. So let's start with 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Again with 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Again with 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 0, 2 9s are 18, So 2 6s are 12. Again with 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. With 2 again, so 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8. Again with 2, so 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7, right? Okay, so what you see here is I'm getting 137, isn't it? So let me write, I don't know how, or we won't be able to divide now this by any other number. Okay, so that's why we have 8768 is equal to, so how much do we have? So we have 2 into 2 into, how many 2's are there? 6, right? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 6 are there, and we have 137 also. Okay, now see, if I, first and foremost, to make it perfect cube, we will form the triplet. So this is one triplet, this is another triplet, right? Now we are having problem with this. Okay, so we have to divide this entire thing by one number so that the resulting thing becomes a perfect cube, isn't it? So obviously that number is going to be, see, and if I divide this by 137, then 137 and 137 gets cancelled, so we get only this many number, and this will be a perfect cube, isn't it? So that's why I need to divide this entire thing by how much? I need to divide by 137. Remember that. Okay, so therefore, in order to make 8768 a perfect cube, we need to divide by which number? I need to divide by 137. Okay, so with this we close for the day. You may pause the video and note down your solution. Thank you very much.